Why do people write Android applications? What compels them to devote their time and resources to craft these digital tools? The answer lies in the ubiquity of Android devices around the globe. With billions of users, Android applications provide an unparalleled platform to engage with a diverse global audience. Whether it's to solve a problem, provide a service, or just for the sheer joy of creation, writing an Android application opens up a world of possibilities. Dive right into the process, beginning with the conception of an idea. This is the foundation of any application. It needs to be unique, feasible, and most importantly, it should cater to a certain need or desire of the potential users. Next, translate that idea into a tangible design. Sketch out the user interface, creating a blueprint of how the application will look and feel. This step involves a lot of decision-making, from the color scheme to the placement of buttons, to the overall aesthetic. Each detail contributes to the user experience. Then comes the technical part, writing the code. Android applications are primarily written in two languages, Java and Kotlin. Both are powerful in their own right and have their own strengths. Kotlin, however, has been gaining popularity for its concise and expressive syntax and is officially recommended by Google. While coding, follow the best practices. Keep the code clean, organized, and well documented. Make use of libraries and frameworks to avoid reinventing the wheel and to accelerate the development process. Once the coding is complete, it's time to test the application. Testing is a critical part of any software development process. It helps identify and fix bugs and ensures the application works as intended. Finally, after rigorous testing, the application is ready for deployment. Publish it on the Google Play Store and voila, it's available for the world to download and use. In review, writing an Android application involves a clear, well-defined process. It starts with an idea, which is then translated into a design. The design is brought to life through code, which is then tested thoroughly to ensure its functionality. Once all the kinks are ironed out, the application is ready to be deployed and shared with the world. Remember, the key to creating a successful Android application doesn't just lie in a great idea or flawless code. It's about solving a problem or fulfilling a need for the users. It's about creating something that adds value to people's lives. So go ahead, write that Android application. The world is waiting.